bawal kung may 7 more attacks ka compared to your opponent, pero 6 more errors, parang tabla. Kaya naman siguro hindi makausad itong Smart Maynilad, kaya hindi sila makalamang dito sa koponan ng Army dahil lahat ng puntos nila nababawi rin nila sa errors.
Well, yung nangyari doon, lamang din sila sa serve thanks to Eliza Valdez also with 2 aces to begin this match. So, yun ang parang naging difference dun sa laban na yun. And now, De Leon ngayon, going over to Sue Roses, kept alive by Balse. Here's Dakis now. Dakis, ay, nakaabang si Sue. So, 1-0.
Sa koponan ng Smart, meron kang Crisini, meron kang Charo Soriano, Eliza Valdez na magagaling mag-serve. Matitindi yan.
And eto ngayon si Charo once again. Here is Salak rather, going to Dakis. And now Valdez with the drop ball. Well, again, the floor defense has to improve. So far, it's always been Angela Nunag ang naglilibero sa kanila. Mayet Carolino is in a libero outfit today. Nice block, played there by Salak. Pero again, Pinok Cassini too big at the net. 3-0 Smart Maynilad. Parang first set na nito. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's. Smart Maynilad raced to a 4-0 start. Pero dumaan pa rin sila sa butas ng karayong para makuha yung first set. Charo, Nunag, Alarca, off the face of Charo Soriano. Ayan na nagkalaban, Ateneo Lasal. Yan na nagkalaban talaga. Alarca versus Soriano, magkapwesto pa.
Parehong gitna.
Otruang, De Leon, Cassini, turned back there by Alarca. Sa kabila naman, Eliza Valdez. Balse, going to Dakis. Dakis, single block na lamang. Hindi pa nailusot doon kay Cassini. Gonzaga off the net.
Thank you, Net.
Yun na nga eh. Minsan talaga may halong swerte yung kahit na anong sport naman eh.
Yes.
3-2.
Highest pointers for the first set, Cassini Valdez for Smart.
Tagilan.
Dakis Gonzaga for... Actually, pareho pa sila. Cassini Valdez with both 8 points.
Wow.
Dakis Gonzaga both 5 points.
Wow.
Nag-uusap ata sila naman, di natin alam.
Well, Nunag could not contain that. So, Eliza, kanina pa naman may pag si Eliza in all departments.
Another one.
Good serve again. Here's Salak ngayon. Alarca tries to misdirect it. Sue. Again off the hands of Nunag. Kanina pa nila inaatake yung depensa ni Nunag.
Malayong malayo ang digging ng Army ngayon compared sa laro ng Smart.
Right.
Lahat ng pinapalo ng Army natataas ng Smart, but it's not the same the other way around.
Rexona anti-perspirant deodorant. It won't let you down. Nunag on her knees. Here's Dakis. Only the finals MVP when the Army won in 2011.
Did she win a championship with FEU?
No, FEU's best place in the history of the Shakey's V-League was third.
Oh.
Dakis. Oy, wala second ball. Binuhay ni Balse. Dakis tinawid. At yun na nga nangyari doon. Depensa ng Army was in the tatters that time. Atake kaagad dito si Pinok Cassini.
Nagkagulo sa harapan. Si Cassini naman, kay Tali-Talino, tinarget ang likod.
Right. Sue Roses. Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. 3-point lead now for Smart Maynilad. Nice block again by Cassini and again no communication. No second ball coming. Si Cassini kanina pa na may miesta dyan sa mga palo-palo nitong Army. Look at this again. And Cassini bumuelo pa yung kanang kamay niya eh. That Rexona anti-perspirant deodorant. It won't let you down. Slow motion replay. 4-point lead for Smart Maynilad.
Nagkakagulo ang communication skills ng Army for this set.
At that time, nailusot ni Balse kay Gohing yung kanyang tira sa likuran. Gohing was player of the game in the last match. In fact, ito isang fun fact na natuwa si Melissa Gohing na shinare ko sa kanya na isang araw. Gohing leads all liberos in scoring points. She has 2 points total. Si sumunod sa kanya, si Jen Reyes ng Meralco who has 1 point. Lahat na libero hindi pa nakakascore. Yan ang maganda. Yan ang magandang
Siyempre, libero
trivia.
makakascore ka.
Trivia yon. 8-4. Smart Maynilad up. Let's send it now.